Hi, I'm LauraHandke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, here with a little vocal technique tip today. This comes from a student that I had earlier this week, and kind of the running theme throughout the whole lesson was wanting to rush. And this is very easy for us to do as speakers, as performers, especially if we're a little nervous and we want to just dive right in, and share our stuff and maybe get it over with even. And so that was kind of the theme of this student. She kept wanting to rush every time I gave her an exercise. Well, what I mean by that is not necessarily speaking too fast or, you should slow down your pace. I mean not taking the time to breathe before you engage your vocal folds. So anytime you have a performance to give, a presentation, you're going to get up and speak, make sure you take the time to breathe first. As soon as you get up there on stage, breathe in. You should be able to feel coolness of the breath at the back of your open throat, and then go ahead and engage those vocal folds and go ahead and speak or sing. Every time you have a phrase, be very intentional about taking the time to breathe. LauraHandke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher. Thanks for joining me for this tip today.